Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to week 2. So if you scroll down here, okay, sorry, I wanted to switch to student view. So if you scroll down here to week 2, it says calendar and dates. So what you're going to need to study this week is pages 13 to 19 in your text. And after completing this week's assignments, you should be able to talk about the calendar and the dates. All of your assignments are due by the end of the day on the 19th. And these activities all address SLOs 1, 2, and 6. The first assignment you have, though, does not deal with your the videos that go over the lesson for the week. They do not deal with calendars. Sometimes you'll also be asked to learn, I'll also be trying to expand your knowledge of culture in the Spanish-speaking world. And so the first cultural assignment you have deals with Guinea Equatorial. So you just click on this. You open these 3 videos, and you will watch videos on the culture in Guinea Equatorial. They should have captions. I'm going to click on one just to...
Cuyo idioma oficial es el español. Guinea Ecuatorial es uno de los países más pequeños del continente africano.
And then you can see the closed, so click on the closed captioning and pick the English. I've put the English closed caption, so then you can listen to them speaking in the Spanish, but you can also be reading along in English. Okay, so each video should enable you to do that. Okay, so you'll watch all 3, and then when you're ready, you're going to hit attempt quiz now. And you're going to have various questions on the video that you just watched. There's not a lot of them. There's, 22 of them, and these are all true, false. So the answer that you get for this quiz should be reflective of your grade. Sometimes you are going to have questions that are short answer. If you ever have a short answer question, then I have to go through and grade it manually. So your grade that you receive initially will not be reflective of, it won't be your true grade. You'll just have to wait on me to grade it, and I will try to always grade these the day after, but I do have 6 classes and everything's coming in at the same time, so I do ask you to be patient. Not everything, it may be impossible for me to get everything graded on the Friday, and then I have classes on Mondays and Tuesdays, so I will do the best that I can, but there will be some weeks where there's so much stuff coming in that it may take me till about the middle of the next week to get it graded, but I do try to keep up with my grading. You will not be waiting weeks. You will maybe half a week to see your grades. Okay. So then you'll do that. The other thing you need to do is watch the instructor made videos, just like you did in week 1. This week goes over days, months, seasons, so watch these videos. And then after you've watched those videos, then you go to the participation forum, and then you're going to click on class participation, and just like the last week, hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about the material. And then lastly, you need to go out to my language labs. There's a link that will take you there, and you need to do these 3 SAM assignments. I already have it open, so you just click on the 19th. The SAM assignments are going to pop up. Oh, I didn't go to student view. Hold on. Sorry about that. So you're going to click on the 19th. Your assignments are going to pop up right here. Remember that I do post additional stuff, so here are some tutorials and extra practice that are not assigned. They're just extra for you to do. These are the 3 that you have to complete. And since we don't have that many this week, it might be in your best interest to attempt these extra practice activities, but again, it's not required.